Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanifanda Akilah. So here I would like to present about the Banking Risk Assessment Report and Risk Register for the CIMB NIAGA Bank. So this slide it presents about the key financial indicators of CIMB NIAGA Bank over the last 4 years, which is start from 2022 till 2025. So these indicators help us to evaluate the bank's financial condition from the different perspectives, such as profitability, asset quality, capital strength, and the liquidity. So overall, we can observe that some indicators remain relatively stable, while others show the signs of the deterioration. So in particular, the increase in non-performing financing and the decline in the capital adequacy ratio or CAR indicate that the bank is facing greater credit and capital related challenges. So these trends provide an early warning that risk management should become a higher priority in maintaining especially the bank's financial stability. So it highlights one of the most significant issues identified in our analysis about the decline in asset quality, and also firstly the non-performing financing or NPF ratio increased steadily from 1.08% in 2022 to 1.68% in 2025. That it means that a larger proportion of financing is becoming the problematic and indicating a gradual deterioration in the quality of the bank's loan portfolio. So the second here is about the CAR or capital adequacy ratio, which is declined from 23.96% to 21.79% during the same period. Although this level is still above the regulatory minimum, the downward trend suggests that the bank's ability to absorb the unexpected financial losses is gradually weakening. So if it is concluded, these two indicators suggest rising the credit risk and also the increasing pressure on the bank's financial resilience. Therefore, stronger monitoring of financing quality and prudent capital management are essential. Based on our risk assessment, several risks fall into the extreme risk category because they have both a high probability of occurring and a significant impact on the bank. So it will have the most critical risks included as the increasing credit, and then risk due to rising non-performing financing or NPF, and also the capital risk can be caused by the declining capital adequacy ratio or CAR, and potential liquidity pressure if the financial conditions continue to weaken. And if these risks are not managed properly, they could reduce profitability, weaken the public confidence, and also affect the bank's long-term sustainability. And that's so dangerous. Okay, then therefore the bank should strengthen its credit evaluation process, improve the loan monitoring, maintain the sufficient capital reserves, and regularly conduct the stress testing to ensure the financial resilience. Next slide. It presents that the risk register, which the summarize here is each identified the risk. It's like the likelihood, potential, impact, current controls, and recommended mitigation strategies. So the purpose of the risk itself is risk register is to provide a structured framework for monitoring and managing risk systematically. By maintaining an updated risk register, management can prioritize the most critical risks and implement the appropriate actions before they develop into larger financial problems. Based on my analysis here, so I recommend the several actions for CIMB Niaga Bank. So the first, the bank should strengthen its credit assessment procedures to reduce the growth of NPF or non-performing financing. And also, the second, the management should improve the capital planning to maintain a strong capital buffer against the future uncertainties. And the third is continuous the monitoring of financial indicators should be implemented so that the potential risks can be detected and addressed at an early stage. Yeah. And finally, to adopt the advanced risk management technologies and conducting the regular stress testing will further improve the bank's resilience in a changing economic environment. So in conclusion, our analysis shows that the CIMB Niaga remains the financial stable, but several important risks require the close attention. So the increasing of non-performing financing ratio or NPF and the declining of the CAR or capital adequacy ratio indicate that the rising credit and capital risk, although the bank still maintains the adequate financial strength, proactive risk management is necessary to ensure long-term sustainability. So by implementing stronger credit controls, maintaining sufficient capital, and continuously monitoring the financial performance, the bank will be better prepared to manage future uncertainties. Alright, so that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.